now, my favorite special ingredient. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, now. I'm going to keep this ingredient secret until the end. So, when I tell you you can read it for yourself, though. Anyways, 3 shakes if you have this type. If you do not have this type, then I would just say approximately 3/4 of a tablespoon. And I'm going to... Okay, so we just time-lapse that. All right, now, so can you hold this? Sorry. Okay, so we're looking for peaks. I know, as you can see, when I stick this in and pull it out, there is now a, well, indent, basically. Okay, so now this is ready. All right. Perfection. Now my arms are tired. I can take that. Thank you. Okay. Alright. So now in this bowl with the wet stuff, as you can see, milk and eggs.
I think your mum might be here, I don't know.
We're going to add one more ingredient. I'm just going to disappear off screen. Here it is. Vanilla. Here is what it looks like if you want to buy the same one. Okay. Daddy, how much vanilla is usually? Half teaspoon, half teaspoon?
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon. 3/4
Sorry, Annie.
3/4 of a teaspoon. I'm just going to do this over the sink. Now I'm going to super duper carefully move it. Yeah! Gotcha! That was half a teaspoon. I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon. Even harder to do. Super duper carefully mooper. Okay, there we go. All right. Now I'm going to get a handheld whisk. I'm just going to whisk this around it. Okay, no need to time lapse that, it was pretty short. Okay. Alright, now I've mixed this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, and before I do this, I'm just going to show you something. Okay, in here is our dry stuff. Here is just this. Sorry, I'm not sure you can see it. Oh, it's annoying. Give me 1 second. This. So not the egg whites, the egg yolks. The egg yolks, milk, and vanilla. I'm going to pour this in. And now I'm going to go time lapse. Favorite part, every single time a recipe messes up, I add more sugar. But last time my recipe messed up, I just poured the whole sugar in. So let's try that again. Worked last time, maybe it'll work this time. Okay, that should work. Whoa! Oh, there's a hole in the bottom of the bag. Mommy! Okay. Okay, I'm going time lapse again. Okay, into the oven it goes. Kind of. Okay.
What about the egg whites?
The egg whites. Sorry.
And did you do baking powder?
Not yet. But whoa. Mom. No, I mean there's other stuff under it.
It's good. You're off the can?
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the egg whites in. What? 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 Oh, I know exactly what you're doing now. Okay, I'm going to go time lapse now while I'm mixing. No baking powder. Final step. Seriously, you do not need much, so I can just do like 3 pinches. That's what I'm gonna do. You can measure. I'd say about maybe 4 pinches. Sorry. Seriously, just do 4 pinches. I cannot convert it into anything else right now. My mind isn't working. So just do 4 pinches. It should. Mommy! It should work. Do what? Alright, now 4 pinches. You can taste it right now with a fork. If it does not taste good, just add a ton of cinnamon.
Oh, okay.
That's the trick. Alright, now, optional, brownies or waffles. Seriously, what do you think I should make? I'm going to ask you that.
I know brownies. You love brownies.
Noted. Daddy, you did now I have to cut that off.
Oh, sorry.
Brownies or waffles? Okay, that's noted. I am making brownies. And why did I say waffles? I meant or muffins, but still brownies. Are those chocolate chips?
Busted.
Exactly. Right now I have my brownie pan here. Alright, now I'm just gonna, pour it in. Hope this works. I'm probably going to time lapse the baking process because it looks pretty cool. Mommy, can you help me with this part? Just get the spatula thing about.
Sure. It's like a nice batter.
Thank you.
You can smell some cinnamon. There we go.
Okay, we are almost done with this. That's part over here, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. I think we're got most of it out.
There.
There you go.
Okay, now. Can you, we'll just need it. Okay, I'm going to time lapse the baking process because for some reason, some people think it looks cool. Mommy, can you put the pan in?
Got it.
Oh,
Oh, what?
put this in.
Yeah.
I can't do it because I'm holding the camera.
Sure.
How long do you think I should bake it? 5 to 15 minutes are the choices. Really? The middle? 10? Okay. And no, I'm not like Mickey Mouse. I say, what? And then someone else says yes.
What?
1 second, I'm
No,
going to say
I
the
think
timer.
good.
The Final question. Will it be good? Will it not be good? See me for 1 second. Now it's upside down, aren't I? Hate this. Anyways. Okay, let me take a piece of the brownie out. Mommy. This is really good.